Welcome back to another episode of What the Fork. Tonight we're making the fastest veggie fried rice in the history of fried rice. All right, so you want to start off with 4 cups of jasmine rice. You want to make sure your rice is already at room temperature and cold. And you want to add a little butter to your wok. And then we're going to add 1 egg. I'm going to save time. We're going to keep everything in one pot. We're not going to have dirty dishes everywhere. So once you add your egg, we're going to go ahead and get that scrambled. It only takes a few seconds. All right, once our egg is scrambled, then from here, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. And then we're going to add 1.5 tablespoons of minced garlic. This is a super fast, quick version of garlic butter, like a Benihana. So once we get that added, key ingredient here is the white pepper. We're going to sprinkle some of that on the rice and the egg. And then we're going to add some dark soy sauce. Now with your soy sauce, some people like a lot of soy sauce, some people like a little. But for me, I add it up until it's enough color. I judge mine based off the color. So you see right here, I still have a little white spots. I add a little bit more. And then we're going to toss that around till all the rice is evenly coated in soy sauce. Give it a little shake. And that's it. And then from here, you want to add 2 handfuls of frozen mixed vegetables. Just throw those on the side. And then give everything a toss. Probably about 1 to 2 minutes. And after that, all your vegetables are heated evenly, and it's a wrap. There you go. The best in a hurry veggie fried rice you ever going to have in your life, right here on What the Fork. Top it off with some sesame seeds. If you want to add shrimp or add chicken, you can do that. But right now, it's veggie fried rice. Hit the like, subscribe button, notification button. What the Fork.